Science with Sophie. Today we are going to make lemony invisible ink from Secret Formula Lab. First, we should probably thank Smart Lab for giving us this kit. And now we should get I got the ingredients. Let's name them off. First, we have some vinegar instead of lemon. I'm sorry. And I guess my assistant just got an explosion by their volcano. Sorry about that. We got some salt, and we got a crayon. We got a mixer. We got a mixing bowl. Here we got our testing tubes that just fell over because of the explosion. And here this is what we put in right here. And of course we have a paper. Did I name off the papers? I'm so sorry. So first we take the vinegar. We put this onto the testing tube. We pour some out, some vinegar. And we let it sit there for like 30 seconds. While we're waiting, you know you can use whatever crayon. It doesn't just have to be a blue crayon. I just choose that blue crayon since it's my favorite color. So now back to this. We can take this off now. Pull this out. We have to put it in here. Put that aside. We use the mixer to mix it around. I guess I'll have a sip myself. Very sour. So now we take the paintbrush and we can write a secret message. Since I'm a scientist, I'm going to thank Smart Lab and I'm going to write Smart Lab on my paper. So we dip some in the paintbrush and we can write whatever we want. So I'm going to write Smart Lab. Smart. S M A R T. Then lab. L A B. Now we put some salt on. So we're going to sprinkle some on. And we should probably have it go around the paper. Mix it, make sure every single part has some. Probably should put more lemon juice and to mess up the tea in Smart. Very bad at spilling. So now that all the salt is on, we wait about a minute until the lemon juice dry. So we take the crayon that you can choose whatever color and we color over it. Got some salt on it. Make sure to put a a lot of lemon juice. Yeah, that was my mistake. I did not put enough lemon juice. Sorry about that. Okay. So I put smart there. I know it does look like a little scribbles, but if you look closely, you can see the smart, and my assistant is blowing bubbles. See smart, and let me get all the salt off. And then you have your own picture, but don't forget to put a lot of lemon juice or vinegar or milk or orange juice. That's optional, and the crayon is optional. And thank you for watching. Please give me a subscribe and comment down below what you would like me to do next. Thank you for watching.